My dear 10th students, today we have to learn the new concept in the polynomial, that is relationship between zeros of the polynomial and coefficients of the polynomial. So already I taught you what are the zeros of the polynomial. The zeros of the polynomial are also called roots of the polynomial or solutions of the polynomial. For example, take the quadratic polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is what? Quadratic polynomial. So the degree is 2 because the highest exponent is 2. So how many zeros of the polynomial are there for this quadratic polynomial? There are 2 zeros of the polynomial because the degree is 2. Take for another example, a cube plus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 3 is equal to 0. Take the another polynomial, the degree is 3. Therefore, there are 3 zeros of the polynomial. So, the number of degree is equal to the number of zeros, number of solutions. So, what is the meaning of this concept? The relationship between zeros of the polynomial and coefficients of the polynomial. Most probably in the examinations, they will ask only quadratic polynomial. Okay, let us see. The general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation. Okay, a, b and c. See here, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant. So, you may take one example here, 2x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 2, the coefficient of x is 4, the constant is 12. The coefficient of x square is nothing but what? A, therefore a is equal to 2. The coefficient of x is nothing but what? B, therefore b is equal to 4. Here the constant is c, here constant is 12, therefore c is equal to 12. So, this is what? The general form of quadratic polynomial. I will take one example, just we have to check out the relationship between zeros of the polynomial and its coefficients. So, there are two main formula for sum and product. If they will give the quadratic polynomial, so first of all we have to find out the zeros of the polynomial by splitting method. Then we have to compare with that two formulae. Okay na? So, first see here, I will take one example number 1. So, before that, what are the formula? The sum of the roots and product of the roots. For example, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form. What is the sum? Just we have to take alpha plus beta, these are the Greek words. So, just you have to take alpha plus beta, that is sum. Okay, sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to, by using the coefficients we can write two formulae. First, minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to constant divided by coefficient of x square, that is c divided by a. This is applicable for only quadratic polynomial. Okay. So, these are the main two important formulae. Just remember these two formulae. So, I will take directly one example, just check out. X square plus 7x plus 12. This is what? One quadratic polynomial. Okay. Just you have to write the zero of the polynomial by using the splitting method. Okay. First of all, splitting method. The product of extremes 12 into x square, 12x square. Okay, split into two terms. If we add or subtract, then we should get the middle term. Okay, I will take two numbers, that is 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Here on x, here on x. 4 3s are 12. X into x square, plus into plus, finish. Okay, plus 4x plus 3x plus 7x. Okay, so just instead of this plus 7x, we can write these two terms. Okay, x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Make two groups, take the constant common outside, here x is common, take it outside, x into bracket, the remaining terms x plus 4 plus, here 3 is common, take it outside, x plus 3 4s are 12. Again compare these two terms, x plus 4 is common, take it outside again, x plus 4 one time and the remaining term here x, here 3, x plus 3. Just equated to 0, then we will get the value of x. X plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus is converted into minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. Here x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus is converted into minus 3. Okay. How many zeros of the polynomial? There are 2 zeros of the polynomial. Okay. First one is finished. See here. Just we have to compare, we have to relate with that formula. Okay. We will get the same result. Otherwise, our answer will be wrong. Let us see. First of all, sum of the, here, sum means what? 2 are there, x1, x2, both are same. The sum is equal to minus 4 plus sum plus another root minus 3. Okay. Minus 4 plus into minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Both having the minus sign, common sign. So, therefore, I have to add but put the minus sign. Then product is equal to minus 4 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. By using the formula, the sum and product is minus 7 and plus 12 respectively. Then we have to relate with what? The formula. Okay. By using the coefficients. Sum alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Before that, we have to write the coefficients. So, a is equal to what? 1. B is equal to coefficient of x is 7. Constant is 12. Okay. Right. First coefficients. Okay. Alpha plus beta minus b by a, minus as it is. B is nothing but what? 7. 7 divided by a is 1. Minus 7 by 1 means what? Minus 7 only. Okay. Then product is equal to alpha into beta is equal to, what is the formula? C divided by a. C constant is 12 divided by a is coefficient of x square is 1. 12 divided by 1 is 12. See here, sum is minus 7, here also sum is minus 7. Product is 12 here also plus 12. So, this is nothing but what? The relationship between zeros of the polynomial and coefficients of the polynomial. You can take some more examples based on the quadratic polynomial. Definitely they will ask the quadratic polynomial only in the examinations. You can solve various types of examples, then you will get the knowledge about what? The relationship between zeros of the polynomial and coefficients of the polynomial. So, in the next class we will see the next concept. Okay. Thank you.